This is your numerical number 32. I just read first. For a reaction 2A plus B which can convert into C plus D, if the rate of consumption of A is 0.1 mole per liter per second, calculate the rate of production of C. So friend, this numerical was asked in IIT JAM exam, and therefore that type of the exam is objective, and that is very difficult to solve such a type of the theoretical numericals. So those are the numericals are completely based on the tricks. So friends, you should be understand the tricks regarding to this reaction. Let's start. Then you know that for any chemical reaction we have to write down the rate. Rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the decrease in concentration of reactant with respect to time. So friends, you just look toward the stoichiometry of this reaction, you will be get here 1 upon 2 because 2 mole of reactant. Same thing for the reactant B dt with respect to temperature. So friend, when we write the rate for the reactant, we write like this, and when we write the rate of the product, we write like this. Then what is the difference between those of the reaction? Okay, this is reactant rate is denoted by negative sign and product rate is denoted by positive sign, because we know the theoretical concept regarding to that. The rate of reactant is decreases with respect to time, at the same time the rate of product have been increases, and therefore the decrease amount is denoted by negative sign and increase amount is denoted by positive sign. So friends, here the concentration of A is given, and they ask us how much concentration of B is increases, C is increases. Then we just compare the equation, or term of reactant and the product. Now friends, the concentration of A is given. Then what about the negative sign? Negative sign is only shows that the rate of reactant is decreases, and only that decrease in concentration is shown by negative sign. Therefore, in the comparison negative sign cannot be take participate, and you just add the value of concentration which is given for A, that is a 0.1 is equal to concentration of C. And when you solve this, you will be get 0.05 mole per liter per second concentration for C. So friend, this is very simple numerical, and look toward the answer, and if you understand this, you are able to solve within a second or within a minute